Hey everybody. Hello everybody. Hey everybody. It's Brock. This is Brock. And we got a new episode with another episode of All About. What's up everybody? It's Brock and we got a brand new episode of All About, and today we are learning about a very pretty fish. One that took me a while to find the name for it because the one we named it in the store was not what it was named online. This is all about the red striped cigar wrasse. And what I've noticed is this guy's actually pretty rare online too, because I'm looking around and everywhere it seems like it's out of stock. Prices on them, you'll spend normally about $60 on them. Tank size, at the beginning they're really not that big, so you need about a 55 gallon at the beginning, but once he gets his full size, I'd recommend about a 120. Hair level, they are moderate. There's a couple things you got to do a little bit differently. Temper, they are semi-aggressive. They're more of like a hog fish to me. They will not just let people pick on them. Reef safe, yes, he's a really good reef fish. Temperature, you want to keep it 72 to 78. DKH, 8 to 12. pH, 8.1 to 8.4. And your salinity, 1.020 to 1.025. Max size is 10 inches. Like I said, once he gets his full size, you'll definitely want to upgrade your tank. Have a bigger tank for him, because this guy gets really long. Color, of course, is the red and white stripes all down him. And then the real bright yellow tail at the end. Diet, they are a carnivore, so make sure you're feeding them anything from brine shrimp to mysis shrimp. Any of those frozen cubes are really good for them. And once he gets bigger, you can actually feed him little bitty pieces of shrimp. They'll eat that too. Origin, they do come from East Asia. That's probably why it's so hard to get them, is because they're so far away. Compatibility, just ask. This guy seems to be connected to the lunar wrasse, or like a banana wrasse. You know, a wrasse that gets a lot bigger. And as they do get bigger, they seem to get a little bit more aggressive. So, of course, you want to make sure you don't put him in there with some really fragile fish and him go and beat up on him whenever he gets older. Make sure he's with some other tough fish like tangs and angelfish and different ones like that. Another thing is they may go after small inverts. You know, the banana wrasse and the lunar wrasse, once they get big enough, they probably will go after your shrimp. So you definitely want to make sure this guy is not going to go after them. Also need a glass lid. This guy does like to jump. Any wrasse does, so make sure you have that on there, especially the first couple months you have them, because they will definitely try to get out of there. Another thing is a deep sand bed. These dudes do like to bury whenever they're frightened or going to sleep, so make sure you have a soft sand bed and deep enough for him to cover completely up so he can stay safe and feel good. So, like I said, the bigger they get, the more aggressive they get, so definitely prepare. If you start seeing them get more aggressive towards your fish, you might have to do some changes to him. But other than that, he's a really good fish to have. He is reef safe too. He looks really good in a reef. You just want to make sure he's not going to go after some inverts that you have in there. Make sure to feed him really good. But other than that, that is your red striped cigar wrasse. If y'all have any other questions on him, please leave some comments down below. Maybe you can put them in your tank, but you just don't know it yet. Also, if you would like and subscribe to me so we can catch up on some more videos. We got a bunch coming out this week. My videos have been piling up in the back, so I'm trying to get them pumped out this week. Hope you all have a good day, and I will see y'all later.